Hey everybody, back to the DR with the headstock. We have a tool. Let me just show you why I'm having so much of an issue here. If you look down in there, there's like the smallest edge on this race, and on the side towards the frame, it's even smaller. So I have this tool, which obviously we put in there, and you open it up and it expands and it hooks on, hopefully, and we can then beat it out. So let's find out. Got an idea, I'm going to drop a washer down on top of it. Hopefully that'll help spread out the load even more. I can see this tool flying out and smashing my dash. I know what my luck is like. What gave? Did it move? Did nothing happen? It didn't take it out, did it? It munched the side of the tool and spat it back out. Okay, let's try again, but we're going to have to do it up even tighter. I don't know why that was in there so tightly, but it is out. Today is a 50% good day. I get a feeling the top one's going to be a lot easier. That's held good. Aha! A Yes It's Legal hoodie will do the trick. If you want a Yes It's Legal hoodie, it's a filtering thing. I've been selling them for years. Someone asked me to show the races up close once I got them out, and I will do that later in this video, but oh my god, I am so happy. The tool has been mullered, but I can, you know, it's a flat shoulder, I can always just get a file and refile that for next time and get a few uses out of this thing. 30 quid though, that was not a great tool, but it did the job, and that's the important thing. Okay, there is actually two things left I need to do before I can put the new bearings in. One of them is get this taken off, and I'm going to pop up to someone who's got the tools, just get them to pop it off easily. And the second thing is to make sure that the yokes are straight. As long as these are straight and the bearings are good, then it can all go back together. So unfortunately, that's kind of an end of this video because I can't move any further forward. But what we'll do is we'll jump to maybe in the office where it's a bit warmer and we'll have a proper close look at the bearings. I can't get this one off, but I can get the other one cleaned up and also look at the races and that. So join me in a sec. Just show you, this is the bearing with grease and it seems fine, but I bet this is rattling like crazy once I get all this grease out. I'm going to put it in paraffin. Okay, this is the top race, and as you can see, in these ideal lighting conditions, the damage to the top one is actually obvious. I didn't really see that when I took the bike apart for the first time. I mean, I saw a couple of light marks, but was like, nah, they're all right. However, I shouldn't have been so naive as to not change them when I had the frame apart, especially as I didn't properly check the bottom one. Yeah. I haven't got the bottom bearing off, obviously, because that's still on the triple. I've got the top one off, which I've cleaned the grease out of, and it's very loose. But actually, if you put it together with its race, and it actually feels okay, but I'm sure once the pressure gets on, that's when it starts showing. Though, to be honest, I think our major issue is the bottom one. I mean, just look at that. So yeah, what should have been a pretty simple job turned out to be a lot more complicated, mainly because there was just nothing to actually catch on around the edge, just such a small amount. But thankfully, once I'd used that tool and this shifted very slightly, that got me my edge, and then tappity tap, focus camera, and they're free. So yes, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and if you want to help support this channel, please consider doing that through Patreon. Links in the description. I would very much appreciate it. Till the next one, hopefully it goes as well as this one. Bye bye.